In this video, I'll show you how to set up domain forwarding in Squarespace. This allows you to redirect your domain to another URL, which is useful if you want to send visitors to a different site or a specific page. To get started, go to your domains dashboard and select the domain you want to forward. Click on Website, then in the Domain Forwarding section, click Add Rule. To forward your main root domain, enter the @ symbol in the Forward From field. Then, in the Forward To field, enter the full URL you want your domain to redirect to. Click Save. If you want to forward a subdomain, simply enter the subdomain name in the Forward From field. Then enter the destination URL in the Forward To field and click Save. To edit an existing forwarding rule, click the pencil icon. To delete a rule, click the trash icon, then confirm your action. Keep in mind that any changes may take up to 72 hours to fully update across the internet. That's it. You've successfully set up domain forwarding in Squarespace. Thumbs up this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions.